My father did a lot of collages, and in the phase just before he did Pacific Overtures, the color Xerox was invented, and he loved the color Xerox, playing with that. And my father did always see himself primarily as a painter or an artist, not to say a painter who had to earn his keep by being in the theater. He was a painter in the theater. And so there always was this ebb and flow between the aesthetic experiments. And if you think about it, if you look at it, a lot of these are sort of a square, broken up and inverted, which is in a certain way like a set, like a stage that that's been opened up and inverted. And the thing about, if you think about set design, it's sculpture, because you're building a space that is going to be inhabited and used. And I think he really did see himself that way. In some of the Yiddish theater productions, he's listed as co-director or director. And I think that's because coming out of Moscow was this idea of total theater, where in some sense the production defined how the actors could act, because you were envisioning this space, this experience, where the limitations of it also created the possibilities. And I think that's what my father really wanted to do. He wanted theater, like circus, to be this space that would sort of come alive with action. And I think his art was like that. I think the other thing, when I mentioned about hands, his art has a tactility. He did these sort of paintings that were three-dimensional. And you can see here, it's all sort of collage with the three-dimensionality there. I really think the touch of things mattered to him. He would always, one of his favorite words was patina, and that sort of sense of a patina, of age and texture, I think really, really mattered to him, and influenced sort of all of his art.